Yo, what it do, y'all? It's your boy Stephen James, and we back up in this thing, man. This is Ballin on a Budget Jewelry, because it ain't nothing wrong with balling on a budget. And today, we going to go further into the conversation we had last week talking about smoking with Grillz. Y'all saw how dirty they get. Really, it was hard to see, but you know, it is what it is. I'm telling you for a fact, there's a nasty brown ring that goes through both top and bottom. And if you're smoking with your grills in, I got the method to get all of that stuff out. Now, unfortunately, I'm not finna tell you nothing crazy. I don't have some crazy hack that you can use. It's simple, it's basic. I mean, it's probably what any jeweler is gonna tell you, honestly. You know, it's not one of those home remedies. I'm not gonna tell you to use no baking soda. I'm not gonna tell you to, you know what I'm saying, put it in mouthwash or, you know, various other hacks that I've seen people do. I'm gonna show you just a nice original way to do this. Now, we're gonna head over to my table where I got some stuff set up, and I'm gonna show you guys the way I clean my grills when I want to keep them looking nice and fresh, but I don't want to stop smoking in them. Alright guys, so I'm sitting right here at my table, and I got my little setup that I like to do when it's time to clean my grills, you feel me? And of course I got my grills, I got my jewelry cleaner, I got some hot water, I got some concentrate, and polish rag. Now the polish rag may or may not have came with your grills. If it didn't, you probably should have got it at Dayani. But I imagine that anybody that's seen your grills is gonna hook you up with a polish rag. And if you don't have one, they don't cost more than a few bucks on Amazon, or you know, if you go into a jewelry store or something like that. But anyways, so we're gonna set this up. We're gonna fill it up with hot water. Not warm, not cold, but hot. I know you see the steam coming out there, John. I don't want to go too far past the filling line, whatever. That's enough for the grills. Take your jewelry cleaner. I use Blitz. I like Blitz, and it's cheap. Like, it works. It works. It ain't steer me wrong yet. Throw a little bit of that up in there. Oh, damn, it splashed in my eye. That bitch. Alright, now we're going to keep moving. We're going to keep moving. We're going to keep moving. Alright, I deserve that. I deserve that. That's what I get. Alright, so now I'm going to take my grills, these dirty grills, man. I've been wanting to clean these things for so long. But yeah, we're going to throw them in here, and we're going to turn this joint on. I'm going to do it for 180 seconds. Come check it out. Yeah. Let's see what's cracking. I love this jewelry cleaner. But yeah, this is step one, and this right here just helps me loosen up the dirt. You know what I'm saying? It makes the polish rag be able to do its job a lot easier. Because the truth is, this doesn't actually get that yellow ring off. It doesn't take it off. Really what does it is the polish rag. But just doing a little bit of experiment, I learned that if you go ahead and throw it through the jewelry cleaner first and then use the polish rag, you get a much better result. So alright, so we wrapping up right here. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now I normally got some tongs to take these out with, but today I'm just gonna use my hands. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Alright, so now if we look at them, oh, they still just look so bad. You probably can't tell, but like, you gotta see it to believe. Yo, if you're looking up this video because you smoke with your grills in and you're trying to figure out how to get them clean, then you know what I'm talking about. Point blank. So I'm gonna dry them off right quick. You know what I'm saying? Hit them with the little towel right quick. Paper towel, dry them off. Alright, and now I'm gonna take this polish rag right here. Now I've been using it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It be what it be. We're gonna take the polish rag, we're gonna take the inside. We're gonna take the inside, and we're just gonna get to cleaning. I literally just wipe them. The whole grill, I just sit here and just. And then, yeah, see, it's already working. It's already working. Like, look at these 3 teeth right here. And then look at these 3 teeth right here. Like, oh man, this thing is magic. Alright, so yo, I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I'm done with both the top and the bottom, and we're gonna check out a comparison side by side of these grills. Now, I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. Hold on, let me let the zoom kick in. The focus don't. See, this is what happens when you glue jewelry too clean. And I really, like, literally mean that. It'd be hard for the shit to focus on. If you look at this, man, it's so much cleaner, so much nicer. Look at that, boy. Versus these, which they've been cleaned inside the jewelry cleaner, but I haven't polished them yet. And, this is what we getting. So you got these, which on camera they just look a little more dull, but they look so much worse in real life. And then you got these that have been totally cleaned, sparkling, glistening, looking fresh and clean. 2 simple steps. Alright, man, so there, I showed you guys as best I could, you know, with my limited, you know, technology skills when it comes to these cameras and things. But trust me when I tell you, if you looked up this video because you're having problems with your grills getting discolored from smoking, that's definitely the way to do it right there, man. All you gotta do, run it through the jewelry cleaner, soak it in some soap and water. You know, that's about all it really takes, man. That, and make sure you have that polish rag. The polish rag is really the key. You really only need the polish rag, but if you want to cut yourself some time, go ahead and soak it in some hot water with some soap, preferably some jewelry cleaner if you have it, preferably run it through a jewelry cleaner if you have one. And that right there is a Magnasonic Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. It wasn't that expensive. I think it cost me about $40. I did a review on it about a year ago, so definitely check that out if you haven't. If you're thinking about getting one, that's totally affordable. And I'm gonna give you one more look at these joints, man. Look at these, man. They so clean. They so clean and just shining and sparkly. And hold up, let me just one time for the one time. Here we go though, baby. Nice, fresh, clean, and ready to get smoked out all over again, man. Hey, I'm gonna see y'all in the next episode. Until then, y'all be safe.